but you just post once and you want people to remember. If you don't keep showing it in front of people, they're not going to engage with you. That is the attention span of people. That is how people engage with things. You need to start flashing it on their faces for as long as possible before
Hi everybody, my name is
Zasie, and you're welcome back to Zasie's Place, your home of how-tos. I'd like to say thank you to those of you that watched my previous videos. Thank you also for subscribing to my channel, and in case you're coming on here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so right about now. I also got some inboxes and comments over the last video, and I think I'm going to do a proper video about it. I got a comment from Oluwakemi talking about ads and influencers and using Instagram apps and all of that. I'm going to do a proper video about that. I just don't want to go ahead and comment, even though I'm going to do a brief comment on that video. By the time you're watching this, I would have done that, but I'm also going to do a proper video about it because it's something that everybody wants to know about, and I'm going to deliver on that. Today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the laws of increase in business and increase in career, how you can increase in your business and in your career. Increase for you might be more clientele. For you, it might be getting the right kind of network. For you, it might be moving up the ladder. You're tired of the kind of sales you've made over the years. You want to move higher and all of that. So laws of increase in general is what this video is going to be about. And the first thing I want you to know about increase is that increase comes on its own. You can only try to make sure that things increase, but it is God that gives the increase. Actually, it is just the God that makes things work out the way you can do. But you're not going to be lackadaisical about your own part in making sure the increase comes. But you put it up, you plant. Increase is like planting a seed. You just water it and allow it to germinate. That's exactly what it is. Now, the first thing to know is that you have to have a message. Now, your message has to be in line with the content. So let me first of all say that you have to have a content. What content are you trying to increase with? Is it your business? Is your business a furniture business? Is it a food business? Is it cloth business? Is it information business? Is it your career? Are you a banker? Are you a content creator? Are you a creative? Whatever it is. So you have to have a content that you're looking at to increase with. Now that you've gotten your content, whatever it is that you've picked as your content, you have to have a consistent message. Now, this is what it is. I know that a lot of people come and say, oh, I just want my business to grow. I just want my business to grow. I just want my platform to grow. I just want my career to grow. What exactly is the message that your platform is carrying? What is the message that is unique to you and unique to your platform? If you don't have a unique message, it's going to be very hard for you to turn your increment with that kind of platform or with that kind of content. So if you want to be selling bras and you want to be selling bags, for example, for bra, what specific kind of message are you taking? Is your bra going to be for the big size or for affordable or for luxury or everything? So that's your message. So you have to be very consistent with your message. If you have a message already that you have picked, if you don't have, you need to sit down and understand the kind of message that you want your business to take, or the kind of message that you want your career to go with. For creatives now, let me say, for instance, you are a writer. Let people know the kind of message that goes around your work, the kind of message that goes to some people, they're storytellers, some people, they're reviewers, some people are critics, some people are, you just have to have a message that is unique to your content, that is unique to you. Don't go with the crowd. Don't go with the messaging of everybody. You have to have a message that is unique to you. The next thing you have to do is consistent marketing. See, I cannot overemphasize that. And it cannot be underrated. There's some of you that you have what you want to sell, but you are busy. You are thinking about what people will think. And every time people will think that I'm always posting. I'm always posting my business. If you don't post your business, what exactly do you want to post? Or if you don't talk about what you can do, what exactly do you want to do? You are a host, or you're a writer, or you're a creative, or you are a banker or something. You hardly come online to even tell people what you do, but you want to grow in your career. How would you know if there's somebody in your clique that has a bigger opportunity for you, but they don't even know what you do? That picture at work, or that message, that message around your craft can go a long way. So post it, write about it, let people know what you do. When you go for networking businesses, or when you go out, when you go for events, let people know. Introduce yourself, introduce what you do, introduce your content, introduce your message. Do you understand? So you have to be consistent with your marketing. You have to make sure that you keep talking about what you do. You have to make sure that you keep sharing what you do. Share it everywhere on all your platforms. Your platforms cannot just be dormant like that. How can you tell me that you are selling something and you hardly post it? You hardly post what you share because you are shy, because you don't want people to say you're always sharing. You can decide that, okay, of the 5 working days that we have, I want to be posting my content or what I do at least 3 days. at least 3 days in all of the 5 days. Makes sense, right? But you just post once and you want people to remember. If you don't keep showing it in front of people, they're not going to engage with it. That is the attention span of people. That is how people engage with things. You need to start flashing it on their faces for as long as possible before they engage with it. So it's not that your work is not making sense. It's not that it's not reaching it. I'm still going to come and talk about the psychic of advertising of all. I'm still going to come back. I'm still going to do a video on the psychic of advertising. But you need to know that if you have to keep posting it and showing them before they get to engage with you, because they want to gain trust, because they want to know that, oh, you really mean this thing. There are some people that today they will sell pizza, tomorrow they will sell chicken, they'll say they're not selling again. No. People have really been heartbroken, or they've seen people get so inconsistent in their business, so they want to be very sure that this is what you stand for, this is your message. So that is why you have to be very consistent. So if you post today and you don't post tomorrow, or you don't post in the next 2 weeks, people will think that, oh, she's not doing it again, and then you come back and post, they'll be like, what exactly is wrong with this person? So you need to start posting. Even Coca-Cola still advertises. Everybody will have to advertise your business, my dear. Be consistent with your marketing. Everywhere you go, let people know what you do. Whatever you say, let people know what you do. It is very important. Share on your Facebook, share on your Twitter, share on your WhatsApp, share everywhere, share on your Telegram, share everywhere. Let people see, talk about it, attend event, tell people what you do. It's not going to kill you, it's just going to help your business to increase. Do you get me? Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about in increasing is your target approach. For instance, this platform is for business people, for people who want to grow their business, who want to grow their career, who want to get better skin and everything. I call this place the place of how to. So if you want to know how to do something, you know that this is the place you're going to come to. Now I'm targeting those people that want to grow in business. I'm targeting the target approach here is business people, career people, skin enthusiasts, and all of that. So I know my target approach. So now you have to know your target approach. If you are a luxury brand, you know the kind of people you want to pick. You want to pick the elites. You want to pick those that really have the money to engage with your brand. So you cannot be a luxury brand and be looking for people that don't really have the money. You want to be a luxury brand, you're looking for civil servants. You want to be a luxury brand, you are targeting students. Your target approach is wrong. So your target approach has to go with your content, it has to go with your messaging, it has to go with the people that you want to see. So what target approach means is that your target audience and the niche that you have created around your business, so that you know that these are the people that you want to approach, these are the people that you want to talk to, these are the people that you want to meet, and you go ahead and meet with them. Don't mix match it, don't mismake it, don't be for luxury and then you are targeting paupers. It's the truth. You have to make sure that you target the elite that you have really created your brand for. Or if you are a feminine brand and over half of the people on your Instagram are men, I know that they have wives or they have girlfriends, but see, you have to make sure that over half of your target audience are women, because they are the ones that will buy first hand from you. Do you understand? So you have to make sure that you get your target approach clean and clear. Don't mismake it, don't mismatch it. So now take a look at your business, take a look at your career. What's your target approach? Who are the people you're targeting? Who are the people that you're communicating to? Are you even communicating to them? Are you reaching out to them? Is your WhatsApp just filled of everybody anyhow, and you keep complaining that you're not making sales? It's because your approach, your target audience aren't there. So you have to approach your market. You have to look for how to go and approach your market. Get to call them bring them to your place so that you can, hit your marketing, you can hit your increase. For instance, if you just have civil servants all over your platforms and you are selling things of 50,000 naira, you're selling things of 500k, how do you expect them to pay? How? Change your approach, please, so that you can increase appropriately. Okay. In the aspect of increase, I'm going to talk about market balance. I know this because a lot of people complain that business people just overflog their timelines with business because they want to advertise. This is where the market balance comes in. Now, if you want to be that kind of person that will drive quality increase, if you really want to increase, you have to make sure that outside of your business you are also giving out value. Now, for instance, every Monday you can decide to post something, a tip, that is also in line with your messaging. You can you sell jewelries. You can be posting tips every Monday on how people can take care of their jewelries. Do you understand? That's a balance. You are teaching people and then you are selling to them. You have made yourself an authority. They would naturally gravitate towards you. So I go on your Instagram page and all I see is come and buy, come and buy, come and buy. You should be sharing tips. You should be sharing, nice things. You can even share a video of yourself going to the market to, get things done. Where you tell your customers, this is the stress I go through when I go to the market and everything. You are not just about buy. For let me say, for instance, now on WhatsApp, if you're just about posting, and all your thread is bid like and everything's posted, there is 70% possibility that a lot of people have muted your post. They are not going to be looking at you. They're not going to be watching you. But if you post meme today, oh yeah, we offer the memes. If you post memes today, tomorrow you post an outing. Then the next video, let's say, okay, let me now give you a way to thread it. For instance, WhatsApp, you post meme. You post a nice picture, maybe of yourself eating, chilling and everything. Then the next one, you post and maybe how to take care of your makeup, or how to remove your makeup if you're a makeup artist, or how to take care of your hair if you sell hair, or how to be a perfect host if you host a program, if you're a creative, how to write, how to do this, how to do that. Then the next thing you post, your service that you post a product that you want to sell or something. People are going to watch because of course you're taking their mind. Next thing they're going to see what you say and they're going to zoom in, they're going to look, oh nice, I'm going to patronize this person. Then you see that people will engage with you. But if all you do is post you now start saying and nobody is even checking, nobody will check because there is no balance in your marketing. Your market has to be balanced. You have to make sure that you are giving value even as you are selling something that is valuable. Sometimes it is by teaching people what to do that they engage with your business. Do you understand me? Thank you very much. Next thing I'm going to talk about is market enablers. Now, you have to look for people that can enable your market. And I am not even talking about going to look for people that can advertise. There's just some select people that have people in their clique that they can talk to. There are some people that if they post your product for you, you will get at least 3 sales from them. So you have to critically look for market enablers, people that can talk about your business for you when you are not there, people that can open the room of opportunities for you. You have to try to look for them through appropriate marketing, through market balance too. You can check, when you post it, people like that will gravitate towards you. And then when you go out, you don't have to sit down in the house and not say you do and say you don't want to go. I don't feel like going. And say there's some events that you just pay to attend just because you will meet market enablers there. They will enable your business, or enable your products. Do you understand? You also have to make sure that you join conversations online. You can join Twitter Space, you can join Instagram Live, you can join all those things. If you cannot go out, fine, you can join all those events online, and you can join all these free business tools and everything. You never can tell where your enabler is, and then you can pray about them too, that God will lead you to them. Do you understand? So you have to make sure that you have market enablers around you, people that can just think about one thing and think about your business, people that can open the room of opportunities for you. They are everywhere, because every market, every career, everybody needs an enabler. Right now, if say for instance Trisha, please post my video, do you know how many people are going to come on this place? So they're market enablers. Okay, so you just have to keep doing your thing, be consistent at it, do all these things, and go out, mix out with people, and make sure that your marketing is balanced. Make sure you have a consistent message. Make sure that you're consistent with your approach. You have your target approach. You're consistent with your marketing. You're consistent with your content. You're consistent with your message, and then you wrap it up with prayers, and everything is going to increase. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I really hope that you've been able to get a thing or two from this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section, and do not watch this alone. Please share with your friends and everyone that you think should be a part of this wonderful message, this wonderful content, who should benefit from this. Please share with them. My name is Zasie. If you still haven't subscribed here, I'm begging you to please subscribe. Let's hit thousands in few weeks. We can do that. We can do that. It is very possible. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.